Today I will be solving problem 1 of homework 2.6. We have our second order differential equation, non-homogeneous. And the first step for this is solving the homogeneous equation. We're going to treat this second order differential equation like a polynomial, as seen here. And we're going to find its roots. Once we get its roots, it's going to be equal to negative 2 plus minus 6i. We did this by putting the polynomial into the quadratic formula. Once we do that, we plug it into the homogeneous solution, which is going to be equal to e negative 2t into c1 cosine 6t plus c2 sine 6t. Now, for the particular, we're going to use the standard template of undetermined coefficients because we have 30 sine 6t here. We're going to have a cosine 6t plus b sine 6t. Then we're going to get the derivative and the second derivative. Once we do that, we're going to plug all of these in to our original equation. We're going to get negative 72a cosine 6t minus 72b sine 6t minus 48a sine 6t plus 48b cosine 6t plus 80a cosine 6t plus 80b sine 6t. Can put it all into a systems of equations, and we're going to have cosine 60 on the top and sine 60 on the bottom. So I'm going to have minus 72a plus 48b plus 80a, and then minus 72b minus 48b plus 80b equals 30. And the reason it equals 30 is because we have the 30 sine 60, which is here. And once we solve all of that, we should get b equals to 15 over 148. And we should have a equal to negative 45 over 74. And once we do that, we get our particular solution. And once we do that, we can plug it in to our general solution. So this will be our general solution. And now we are going to plug in 0 into our general solution. So now we will know that C1 is equal to 45 over 74. And then we will get the derivative of our general solution and plug in 0 into it. And then we will get 45 over 74 plus 6c2 minus 2c1. And then we can put both of our solutions into a systems of equations to get c2. And c2 is going to be 15 over 148. And once we do that, we will get our solution with our conditions for C1 and C2. And it can be further simplified into this. So now for the second part of the problem, we have negative 45 over 74 cosine 6t plus 15 over 148 sine 6t. And that would be all.